Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Freedom Rider. Yes, I'm very excited. Today I want to show you how my exhaust pipe sounds like. And on the beginning I want to say thank you for the thumbs up, for the pressing that subscribe button, and I really appreciate that, and I really love that, you know, somebody's actually looking and watching my videos, and I'm glad that, you know, it's what I do is in some way appreciated by someone else. So yeah, without further ado, let's check my Cobra slip-on pipes, how they sounds like. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And start. How do you guys like it? Don't they sound amazing? They've got a much deeper sound. It's because they are a bit much longer. They sound like a rolling thunder. Really good. So I hope that you enjoyed this short video. Thank you for sticking with me for a short while, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, ride safe.